D102 to Leap 2025 is departing in 10 minutes from Gate 41.
How can we leap into the future to make sure that we leave no one behind? We have started a movement of how we can bring talent and technology for the people, planet, and prosperity.
Welcome to Leap.
Bring the greatest thinkers and doers of the world, the biggest investors and innovators, and magic will happen not only for our nation, but for our region and the world. When the kingdom works, the region works, the whole world works.
Over 200,000 people again attended.
What's next for Leap?
We have found the perfect partners and the perfect location within Hong Kong.
The economic impact of Leap will be $820 million.
This is just one of the incredible initiatives that we'll be doing as part of Leap for 2026.